Hello, in this video I want to show you the home screen tricks on POCO Pad M1. Okay, first let me show you how to even enter the customization menu of our home screen. Simply, when you're on your home screen, you need to perform that move, just like you would like to minimize a window, or simply zoom out. Then we have this menu. Now we can start our personalization. In here we can quickly change the wallpaper. In here we have a list of all possible wallpapers that we can select. So for example, let's try to change maybe into that. Simply tap. You can also select the effects. If you're interested, you can use the blur, lens, or the glass effect. It is up to you. If you want to save, simply hit on apply. You can set it as lock screen, as home screen, or as both. In my case, I'll only want it as my home screen wallpaper. Okay, next to it we have the widgets. They are really useful stuff. And in here we have a list of all apps of which we can create a widget. So for example, let's try to add a new widget, maybe the YouTube. Okay, as you can see, it appeared right in here. Now we can grab it, we can place it anywhere that we want. For example, right in here. If we want to delete it, hold it and place it on the top to remove the widget. Really easy thing. Now let me try to do one thing. I'll add one widget and then I'll add another. Because I'm wondering about one thing. Can we do a certain action? There's a chance that we cannot. Yeah, it's impossible. I was wondering, can we add a stack of the widgets? But unfortunately, it's not possible. Remember that each widget has a different size. If you open the widgets, those numbers below are their size. So remember that for certain widgets you might have to make some space on your home screen to add it. Okay, another cool thing is possibility to create folders. It can help you organize all of your apps. For example, in here I have the Google folder. I didn't create it manually because it automatically appeared. But let me show you how to create your own folder. But let me only delete that widget. To create a new folder, simply hold one icon and place it on another. Now release. You can see that our new folder has been successfully created. If you click right in here, actually if you hold it, my bad, you can change the size of the folder. We have 3 possible modes. In here we have a preview, how it's going to look like, and we can change its name. Let me type, for example, games, even though that I have Spotify in here, but never mind. So that's how you can create a new folder. It can help you to organize your place on your home screen. Okay, next we have the settings. We can change the transition effects. We have slide, we have the crossfade. You can see a preview how it's going to look like, but let me get to that page so you'll be able to see it better. So we have the crossfade, we have the tumble, and we have the page. We have the cascade, we have the rotate, and we have the cube. And I think that's all, yeah. If you want to save it, click on done. And now you can see that we have a new transition effect. Currently it's the cube. Looks pretty cool in my opinion, so we can also change that. Down below you can enable or disable to show the text or not. Some people, for example, might like that mode. It looks more clean without the text. In my case, I want to have it. Down below, it's really worth enabling to fill the cells of uninstalled apps. When this mode is enabled, and when we uninstall the app, for example, when I would uninstall some of the apps right in here. Maybe let me show you that, but I'll grab something that I can uninstall. I will use the asphalt game for that. I'll place it on the main screen, for example here. And now when I will uninstall the app, the settings or the tools should fill that gap that would be created when I uninstall the asphalt. So take a look. Just like I have said, settings jumped into the place of the asphalt game simply to fulfill that gap in that place. Really useful thing. It can help you to organize your home screen, and simply you won't have to manually place each app to fulfill that gap. When this feature is enabled, that gap will be automatically fulfilled. If you want, you can also lock the home screen layout. When it's locked, you cannot move anything on your home screen. Sometimes it's good because let's say that we have created our perfect home screen, everything is placed just like we want, and we don't want to change that, for example, by a misclick. So that's the moment when you can lock your layout. If you click on more, you can change the home screen style. It can be classic or with the app drawer. Basically, when the app drawer is enabled, when you slide to the app side, you'll see a whole list of apps installed on your device. In here you have a preview, how it's going to look like. In my case, I'll stick to the classic mode. And in here, you can also change the system navigation. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.